Alrighty, everyone. I have this silver nitrate here that I'm going to cement out the silver. Got a few pieces of copper here that I'm going to drop in here and kind of see how this goes. So got about 450 milliliters in there. As you can see to the right there, I got a little bit more, but it's got some stuff in it that I have to filter out. And honestly, this vessel's big enough and got enough in there already. So let's go ahead and drop in the copper and kind of see what we can do to get this to cement out. So I took my gloves off because I ran inside to grab the camera. Let me go ahead and put those back on really quick. Don't feel like turning my skin black. Got my glasses on. All right, let's go ahead and drop these in and give them a whirl. That's pretty cool. Got one in there. I'll go ahead and add one more in there as well. We can let this fall off and go from there. Be curious to see how much silver I get out of this, because I know there was about 600 grams of sterling in there to start with. So 600 grams times 0.925 will give us our silver. You can see it just flaking off right now. That's really cool. So I can get some with my phone too. I'm actually going to go ahead and turn on the fume hood a little bit in case there's some excess nitric in there, which I don't think there is, but I'll go ahead and get that sucked out just in case. Oh, I see some nitric coming out the top pipe, so there's a little bit in there. I'm going to go ahead and stop it for now. We'll stop the video and I'll come back when we're a little farther along. Alrighty, I got the plexiglass in the front, kind of keep everything contained in there. Looks like right as it comes out the pipe, it's being sucked straight up and hitting some kind of turbulence. So that's good for my fume hood, definitely. So we'll let this, yeah, you can see, that's pretty cool. So I wish I could zoom in on this GoPro. There shouldn't have been that much nitric in there because then that's jar over here to the right, I dropped a few pieces of sterling flake in there, and it stopped bubbling after a while, so I would imagine everything is pretty much consumed, but you never know. I'm not seeing any more fumes right now, so it's just been a little bit in there. But yeah, it's snowing pretty good in there. I'll have to figure out how to use the time lapse and throw that on there so you guys can watch this a little better. I'm actually pretty happy with the light in there right now. I got all 4 LEDs going. I can turn it up a little bit more too. Yeah. So that's full blast right there. Oh, I can see some more fumes coming off that, but until all that nitric is digested, you're probably going to see some of that. That silver going in and out of solution, probably eating up some of the copper too. Okay, we'll let this thing do its thing and we will come back in a little bit. All right, so it's been about an hour and a half. Wanted to give you guys a little update. You can still see there's quite a bit of activity in there. The cemented out silver is to about the 1,000 milliliter mark on the bottom there, and still going strong. So we'll let this run overnight. We'll see what it looks like in the morning, and give you an update then. But yeah, you can see how green it is now compared to the jar on the right. So definitely has a lot of copper in solution now. So alrighty, I will give you an update in the morning. Alrighty, so checking on this thing in the morning, get a quick update here. All the copper that was popping out the top, gone. I still see some bubbling going on there, so curious to see if there still is some silver in solution. Let's go ahead and check this really quick. No, I'm not seeing anything on the copper here. Nope. Okay, so I think we're done here. So I'll go ahead and work on getting this all filtered out and getting that cement cleaned and rinsed. Get as much of this copper solution off as possible. And then, oops, I forgot to put my other glove on. That's all right. And then, uh-oh, more water in there. A little bit, enough. Can we make it? Oh. All right, that'll work. But yeah, I'll go ahead and get this stuff rinsed off and give you an update on the silver. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start to get this stuff filtered off. I don't have my vacuum setup going yet, so we're gonna have to do this the old, slow way and just let it filter through. So I'll go ahead and get this done and we'll go from there. And I'm not going to make you guys watch me filter this whole thing, so I'll bring you back farther along so you can kind of get an idea of what the silver is looking like once we get it all filtered out. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so we finally got all this cement silver flushed out, and I know it still looks pretty blue down there, but everything coming out is clear. So I think we got the best that we can right now. I did put through about half a gallon of boiling water as well. So let's go ahead and get this cement silver out of the funnel here and take a look at it. I did lose a filter in there earlier in the process, so hopefully when it dries out we can take care of that. But that's heavy. All right, let's see. Very nice. Let's go ahead and get this in here. Let's go ahead and pull this one out this time. Go ahead and back you up, drop you down a little bit so you can see here what I'm doing. There we go. Much better. So I still got some cement silver in here. So let's actually go ahead and pull this guy off, see if we can wipe off as much as we can. Should be good for now. And then I've got a dish over here with some older filters in it as well. Let's go ahead and scrape off what's in here also. See if we can't salvage some of this, not have to get too much water in there. Because I'm gonna dry this out right now. All right, so let's see here. First off, let's get this washed off really quick. Okay, that's taken care of. Let's go ahead and see if we can clean a little bit of this out really quick. And I'm getting a little more water in there, but I'm gonna throw it on the heat plate and should be fine. Just take a hair longer to dry out. Okay. All right. So that's pretty clean there. As you guys can see, well, there we go. Now you can see. Sorry, my camera went black, so I couldn't see what was going on. So let's go ahead and throw this back up there. And then let's go ahead and get this moved over to the heat plate and get that started. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get this bad boy on. And we'll go, I don't know, about halfway. I don't know. Start it there. Let's see, what time is it now? Let's see how long this takes. It is, please hold, my watch is giving me issues. Okay, so it's 48 after. So let's see how long this thing takes to dry out. Alrighty, let's go ahead and wrap this thing up here. Volume's a little high. Let's see if we can turn it down a little bit. All right, so let's see what we got here. Some nice cement silver. Oh yeah. Brought it outside because it's about 99 degrees out here. I figured I'd take my chances with a bird taking a crap in here. I did make one little mistake and I lost some filter paper in here, so kind of been filtering that out, pulling that out as I see it. But yeah, looking pretty good here. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get this weighed up shortly. And well, there's some more paper here. Give you a final. I didn't do all 600 grams, as you saw a little bit of it sitting in the back there, but we'll see how much is here. There's a good amount here. And nothing's, well, there's a little bit sticking on there. I think it might be from earlier, but yeah, we'll go ahead and end this and give you a quick wait. Alrighty, so we made it to the end of the road here. Got this fully dried out. Let's go ahead and get this measured out and see how much we actually have in here. So it's got a pretty nice color to it. It's got some sparkles. Not that you can see it through the camera, but looks good. So let's go ahead and get this weighed out and see how much silver we have here. Got some stuck in there. Loosen that up a little bit. Yeah, that's most of it. Alrighty. So what do we have here? 691 grams. I thought I put 600 grams in that solution originally. I'll have to go back and see what I did, but yeah, that's a good amount of silver there. So I think what I'll probably do next is go ahead and get this melted down and made into shot so that I can feed it through the electrolytic cell and go from there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed following me along on this journey. Definitely subscribe because I'm going to be doing a lot more of this. And I do have something interesting coming up that I'll be putting out a video probably shortly after this one. I know a lot of you haven't even seen the 2026 Declaration of Independence quarters in your area yet. I think I'm going to do a giveaway of about 10 of those, non-privy of course. So yeah, look for that video. But again, thanks for watching.